In a decisive moment, Niger, Mali, and Burkina Faso cast off the last chains of their colonial past. French officials sent home, tricolors lowered, and a new alliance born.
The Alliance des États du Sahel.
With their own passport, their own bank, and their own future.
A new dawn over Ouagadougou. Once exported raw, gold now gleams from local refineries. Burkina Faso builds its own electric vehicles, its own roads, its own destiny.
The African Economic Shield isn't a slogan, it's our promise.
In 2025, Mali and Niger sparked a movement. They built their own power, their own rails, their own future, and other nations answered.
The Alliance Verte is not just a pact, it's the birth of a sovereign Africa.
If this bloc holds, our foothold in the Sahel is finished. We can't let that happen.
Brothers and sisters, they aim to squeeze us, to divide us, but every sanction is a spark. We build together.
The drones are ready, General. Strike orders await.
Then we better move faster than their shadows. Africa will not be poor because they wish it.